Hi, in this tutorial we will review how to add people and cards on NetAXS Web3 using the web interface. Begin by logging into it using Google Chrome. Once on the dashboard, locate the menu icon at the top left corner and then hit Configuration. In this menu, you will have configure your spaces, schedules and holidays, and also people and access groups. Then hit people and cards. If you have no people, you will have this menu and you can add right here, right now. And in here you can use a card number. Once you're done, hit save. You will see how a successfully saved message will appear at the top right corner. If you already have people on the system and you would like to add more, simply click on the plus sign on the top right corner. Or if you are looking to add cards, select cards. If you already have cards, you will have to click on the plus sign on the top right corner. In here, it is very important that you take a look at single or multiple, because depending on that is going to be the cards that you're going to be adding. For example, single is just for a single card. Multiple will be doing a range of cards. Notice that you cannot edit people's names until you have added them. Once you hit save, you will see how a successfully saved message will appear on the top right corner, and now you will notice that you will have these cards just added. To edit the properties of a card, you will have to click on the check mark and then this little arrow, so that way you can modify if it's going to be temporary, use limits, or the card type.
For more information and videos, please visit our webpage https://honeywelldiscovertraining.com.